Hello, dear students of class 11th. You have completed a whole book of total English, but question number 2, part A and part B was not elaborated. So I'm going to explain the report writing and proposal writing. Question number 1, this is it will be a composition. Part A, B, C, D, E, F will be given. You have to select only one composition. And question number 2 in your paper will be to write a report in not more than 300 words. Sometimes it is given the limitation of the words and sometimes not. There is no problem. Sometimes it is written 300 words, and in some years paper I didn't see the limitation of the word. There is no matter, no problem. How you will write question number 2, part A, report writing. Listen it carefully and do practice at your home. Just after the video, I will give you a photo of question number 2, part A and B. By this photo, you can write a report writing part A and part B, proposal writing. So student, try to understand. Here given, write a report in not more than 300 words on the havoc caused by the cyclonic storm Bulbul in Odisha and West Bengal. Use the hints given below. Dear students, these are the points. These are the hints. Hints means the points. Date and place and of havoc means when the havoc took place, what was the date and place at that time. Second hint, second point is given destruction. Third, rescue. Fourth, havoc in West Bengal. Fourth, evacuation of people into safer places. Next point is victims' account of the havoc. And the last point is statement of the Prime Minister. First of all, you will write what is the cyclonic storm. You will give some points about what is cyclonic storm or whatever will be given in your question paper. Some lines of introduction you must give it. You must write it. Here you may see date and place of havoc. You will write the date. You will write the date in the second paragraph. First paragraph will be introduction. Second one will be date and place of havoc. So you can write heavy rains due to cyclonic storm Bulbul lashed several parts of Odisha on November 9, 2019 or 20 whatever. These rains were accompanied with strong winds which poured in Balasore, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara and Bhadrak district of Odisha. After that you will change the paragraph and you will write destruction. Second point, destruction. No need to write down 1, 2, 3 or 4 just like this. No need to write down the point number. Only change the paragraph and describe the point. Change the paragraph every time and describe the point. Second point, destruction. You will write about the destruction, how much loss was there, what happened, what was the destruction there. Next, rescue. What was done for rescue? How the rescue operation was done. Next point, havoc in West Bengal. Next point, evacuation of people to safer places. Next point, victims' account of the havoc. And last point will be statement of the Prime Minister about this havoc. You may also include other relevant details. It will be of 20 marks question, 20 marks. Students can get, they can obtain 20 out of 20 marks in this part. Question number 2, part A. Now, question number 2, part B. Question number 2, part B, proposal writing. You see here, proposal writing. Question number 2, part B will be there. A proposal literally means a plan or a suggestion. It refers to a formal or written document put forward for consideration by others. Based on content, a proposal can be of different types. In ISC examination, the students are required to write a proposal for implementing a project. Event and seeking its approval from the head of the institute, usually the principal of the school. It must be include a heading. Note it down. It must be include a heading. Second, an objective and a list of measurement. First one, heading. Second one, objective. Third one, list of measure to explain the specifics and the method of what is to be done to complete the project. What is to be done to complete the project? Thus, such a proposal suggests how to carry out a given project in a stipulated time schedule. This is the important thing. Such a proposal suggests how to carry out a given project in a stipulated or given time schedule. First of all, the council has prescribed the following format for proposal writing. Specimen is given here. You read here. As a member of student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish the particular club. Here, first of all, you will write proposal for setting up a science club. You see here. First of all, this is proposal for setting up a science club. As it is written here, setting up a science club. Setting up a science club, it is written here. You write here proposal for setting up a science club. Second one here, heading. You will write here heading or introduction. Heading, you can write here heading or maybe introduction, no problem. Write down here, to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders of relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in your school. This is your heading for 2 marks. you will get here 2 marks. Second one, you will next heading will be objectives. Objectives. What is your objective? Aim. Objectives. A science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. In objective, you will write this. What is your objective here? It will be also of 2 marks. Next, see here. Now the next point will be list of measures. At least 4 points must be written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points given, but at least 4 points must be there. You will write here list of measures. The middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meeting and activities. The meeting will be take place once a week. School week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Point number 3, membership of the science club will be open to all students from class 6 to 12. The club president will be any name, may be here, Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Next point, club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. And last point we may give, the club will have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans and poster, documentaries and so on. It will be a 4 marks. It will be a 4 marks. And last, finally you write conclusion. Conclusion you may write here heading here conclusion, or no, if you don't want, no need to write. But you will write here in the last point as conclusion, we hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the club is established at the earliest. By this way, you can write proposal. In your class first year book, it is also given examples. By those examples, and just I am giving you the example. A photo shot I am going to send you. By this help, you can attempt these parts of question number 2. Question number 2 and question number 2 part A and part B. If there is any problem, students, please ask me without any hesitation. Thank you so much.